Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. President, may I have your permission to begin the proceedings of the special investiture ceremony?
Bismillah.
I request Qari Dr. Ikramul Haq for recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان. والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. صدق الله العظيم.
Ladies and gentlemen, citation. Hailing from Alanya and Antalya province of Turkey, His Excellency Mr. Mevlut Cavusoglu is a seasoned Turkish politician and a founding member of the Justice and Development Party. His Excellency Mr. Mevlut Cavusoglu started his PhD degree in International Relations at Belchant University in 1993 and carried out research at the London School of Economics between 1993 and 1995 with a Jean Monnet Fellowship. His Excellency was elected as Member of Parliament from Antalya and served as the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the 62nd, 64th, and 65th Government of the Republic of Turkey. He has been serving as the first Minister of Foreign Affairs of the presidential system of government since 9 July 2018. In his capacity as the Foreign Minister of Republic of Turkey, he has led numerous diplomatic initiatives, including humanitarian diplomacy, that have contributed to international peace and security. His Excellency has played a vital role in further strengthening the historic Pakistan-Turkey relationship and his concerted efforts have contributed to the transformation of the fraternal ties between the two nations into an enduring strategic partnership. In recognition of his services for the promotion of international peace and security, as well as Pakistan-Turkey bilateral relations, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer on His Excellency Mr. Mevlut Cavusoglu the award of Hilal-e-Pakistan. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Hilal-e-Pakistan upon His Excellency Mr. Mevlut. Mr. President, may I have your permission to close the investiture ceremony?
Yes, please do.
The formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now closed.
सदर ममलिकत डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी ने तुर्की के वज़ीर ख़ारजा मेवलूत चावुशओग्लू को सिविल अवार्ड हिलाल-ए-पाकिस्तान से नवाजा है और ये अवार्ड उन्हें पाकिस्तान और तुर्की के दरमियान गहरे दोस्ताना और बरादराना ताल्लुकात उस्तवार करने पर दिया गया है।